See that light right there? We're taking that out. In, what you see. Turn the lights back off. So I'll show you how easy this is. So I did it 2 different ways. Come listen to my podcast. This one, since I'm lefty and righty at the same time, my fingers are starting to lock up today. 1 screw / 10 mil. This one I just wiggled, and it popped out. Okay. Part number, no idea. There it is. Okay. Now, so all that's holding it in is this push pin and this push pin. Okay. Now, let's go see what the other side. Now, the other side, I did a little bit different to remove it. There you go. Let's see. I want to make sure. But that was 1 screw back. This one had tension here, pulling here, and I went right here, and it popped out. To help pop it out of the sockets. So, part number. There you go. So let's put it back. Make sure they snap back into place. And we're gonna say like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe. Oh, put the screw back. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.